Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
I prefer to try to make pictures where you're unconscious that I am there. The people surrounding Arthur Freed who made musicals, he not only helped me with my career, he gave me a career. He made it possible for me to choreograph and then to direct films, and I'm very grateful.
Most important of all, I continue living up to my motto, dignity.
He not only was helpful to me, but he had the desire to make musical films that were fresh and different.
I want to take in the beauties of New York.
And I want to take them out. Back where I come from, all the dames are covered with coal dust. Wow!
It was a true factory. What was wonderful about it was that each of us was left completely alone. It was not really run in a way to try and make one picture like another.
Well, that's the idea of the number, RF. What do you think of it?
I can't quite visualize it. I'll have to see it on film first.
Perhaps the reason they have some similarities is because the people involved were often the same people.
I like it. Take the picture, take the picture.
I made 3 films with Audrey Hepburn. In the case of each of those films, I only thought of Audrey Hepburn in preparing them. And frankly, I think if I hadn't been able to secure her services, they might not have been made. I had a very strong feeling that all I was doing was making people go to the movies and forgetting their life, their real life, for an hour and a half or 2 hours. And for a while, I felt that I should be doing more than that. At the moment, however, I'm so pessimistic about the fate of our planet that I would be delighted if somebody would do that for me.